And here we are at a residential location where we're going to be installing a rail system with 4 90-degree curves and a switch track. This is new construction, so we were able to get in early and get a clean installation with our drop points. That's what's stubbed out. The box to the right there is going to be where our power comes in to install the charging system for the rail. We have our lasers set up to make sure that we're in good alignment with our drop points. We'll have a straight piece of rail that will run perpendicular to the gentleman's bed. And then we'll put a curve to the left right here. That'll be going in next. As you can see, that piece is, that spot right there is not within the laser scan. And the reason why for that is because as the curve makes its arc, that will be at the apex of that curve. And then we have these set in here. Got to do a little more alignment on this piece to get the laser down the middle of the rail. And then we come into here. The piece to the left runs over the toilet. And then we have our switch track, which allows this use to go from the toilet to the shower and then back out into the bedroom. The door, the construction here was we were able to get in early enough so that the door that should have gone in this opening and into the toilet closet was not installed, and we were able to get the full 9-foot access to the ceiling here, which is wonderful lift height. And then I've got my 90-degree curve going in here over the shower area. So this will place the gentleman into the low threshold shower and in the center of that. So he'll be able to take full advantage, put a shower chair in there, and take full advantage of the shower. And you can see we've got good alignment there. We've got our laser running down the middle of the rail just as it's supposed to be. And I've just got a few connection pieces to put in here, a little short piece to connect here. And this will be wrapping up very shortly, and we'll be going on to our load testing.